change sore. So I leave off singing more than for any other thing, for those who used to pour their gifts. I see them pour and begging, wandering, and I who used to bring my love both evening and day to kiss and more, since now I cannot for sure see what my life's way is. My way, so it seems to me, cannot long lasting be in such a state as this is. For I used to ride, you see, and wear fine clothes and be in great delight and blisses. Now I know not what joy is, nor song, nor love, nor kisses. Well, may I comfortless be, seeing worth grow less to see, through evil lordship's ways. Well, may I comfortless be, seeing worth grow less to see, through evil lordship's ways. Well, may I comfortless be, seeing worth grow less to see, through evil lordship's way.